Hello viewers, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain transversal and what is transversal and what are the angles made by the transversal. So first, coming to transversal, definition is a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points. So a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points. Distinct means different points. Here, if I consider, suppose I am drawing L, line L, and another one line M. Here this is line L and this is line M. Here another line called N, suppose N, it intersects the other two lines at different points. If you observe, this line L is intersecting angle line L at this point, suppose P, and this one it is intersecting at Q. Means this line is intersecting the other two lines at distinct points. So this is known as transversal. So when it intersects the other two lines at different points, then we call that as a transversal. Here a line which intersects two or more lines. See, it can intersect two or more lines. Okay. So if I draw this line, suppose this is L, M, N, and it is P. P is intersecting line at point here, and it is intersecting at point here and here. So means it is intersecting the other lines at different points, isn't it? So we call this line P as a transversal. It should not intersect at the same point. For example, if I consider one more thing, see, this is one line and this is one line. Suppose this is L, this is M. Okay. Now I draw another line like this. This is N. Here, which is the transversal here? If you observe, the line L is intersecting the line at this point and the line M is at this point. Means it is intersecting at different points. So I can say L and line L is N is a transversal. And if you consider L, line L is intersecting line M at this point and M at this point. Means it is intersecting at two different points. So I can say here L is also a transversal. If I consider M, M is intersecting the line N at this point and the line L at this point. Means it is intersecting at different points. So I can say here M is also a transversal. If you observe, L is a transversal in this figure, N is also a transversal, and M is also a transversal. Now we consider one more figure, children. Suppose this is one line, okay, and this is one more line, and this is one line. Suppose this is M, this is N, and this is P. And these three lines are meeting at this point, okay. Now, can I say these are intersecting lines? No, they are not intersecting. When two lines will meet, we call intersecting lines. But more than two, when it meet, we call concurrent lines, okay. Now, in this, is the M is a transversal? N is a transversal or P is a transversal? What do you say? Here now nothing is transversal because here M is not a transversal to the given lines because it does not intersect the lines at different points. It is intersecting at the same point, okay. And here one more figure I consider. Suppose this is one line and this is one line. Let this be N and this be P. Now I will draw one line here, M, and another one Q. Can I say here M is a transversal or Q is a transversal? Can I say here M? No, because M does not intersect the lines at different points. See, if you observe, this M is intersecting Q and N at the same point. Here M is not a transversal in the both the figures, right? And in fact it intersects two lines at the same point. It is intersecting at the same point. So transversal transversal is nothing but a line which intersects two or more lines at different points. And you can say in our daily life, railway track children. Here this is a railway track, you will see. Okay, this is a railway track, means these two lines, and this is a transversal. It is intersecting at two different points, and this is also a transversal. So by this we conclude that how many lines transversal can be drawn to a two lines or three lines? What do you say? Infinite. We can draw infinite transversal to the given lines. Simple example we can take railway track.